24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano for the most part is drifting at $186,410,869, quite in opposition to prevalent thinking. ADA down roughly 2.57% inside the very most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano's EMA10 generally shows an entirely descending pattern, or so they by and large thought, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano in a real sense certainly shows negative force over the course of the end of the week, which certainly is genuinely huge, which is very critical. 21 August 2023. In this video we will essentially walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and sort of for the most part attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part generally clarified pressing issues, facts. What especially certainly is fundamentally essentially transient cost expectation for Cardano. Sort of is ADA a pretty in every way that really matters, wise venture, which in every way that really matters, is very critical, in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so forth, which especially is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner. However, prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the ADA specialized examination, certainly let us explicitly discuss the kind of current economic situations, which essentially shows that Cardano's EMA10, for the most part, shows a fundamentally descending pattern in a sort of huge manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the for the most part whole cryptographic money market to $1,047,585,515,720 in a fundamentally certainly large manner. The really all-out exchanging volume very remains at $28,364,522,647 in an in every practical sense, kind of significant way. Bitcoin shares 48.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a predominance of 16.33% in a really significant manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,002.62 level, after a decay of 0.24%. So however prior to jumping certainly fundamentally profound into the ADA specialized examination, basically sort of allowed us by and large to discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, which especially shows that Cardano's EMA10, generally for the most part, shows a reasonably kind of descending pattern, in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum, certainly has seen a value lessening of 0.53%. Coming to $1,660.19 during the past 24 hours in a by and large most certainly significant manner, which is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $208.18 following a value change of 3.65% within a similar time period in an unpretentious manner, which really is very huge. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP for the most part fundamentally is somewhere around 4.6 and at present exchanging at 51 cents, which explicitly truly is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Cardano's EMA10 generally really shows an in every practical sense descending pattern, or so they basically explicitly thought. These occasions by and large in every practical sense demonstrate that the market in a real sense generally is going in an actually genuinely descending bearing for a especially lovely present moment, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking, or so they truly thought. As of now, an essentially beautiful general reasonably really regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $208.18 following a value change of 3.65% within a similar time span, which by and large especially is genuinely huge. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to explicitly, all things considered, recognize certainly key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in an exceptionally enormous manner. Support vary is a level at which purchasers for the most part become commonly more fundamentally dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they truly thought, or so they thought. Similarly, opposition explicitly especially is a level at which vendors really move exceptionally dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly is genuinely critical in an unobtrusive manner. Following commonly are the help and opposition levels of Cardano, ADA, Cardano execution ADA, basically in a real sense, has recorded a downtrend, losing 2.57% in kind of most recent 24 hours, which certainly in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The actually truly current worth of Cardano actually for the most part is floating at 26 cents, with the exchanging volume of $186,410,869 United States dollars in the equivalent time period in an exceptionally huge manner. The actually fundamentally in general market cap for ADA sort of basically is $9,179,478,981 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 10.27% over the course of the week, so 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano sort of is floating at $186,410,869, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Examination for 21 August 2023, inside a truly everyday time span, commonly made sense of beneath, showing that similarly, obstruction basically sort of is a level at which vendors explicitly move really dynamic, and explicitly in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly higher, in a kind of beautiful significant manner. Kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking, we utilize fundamentally truly relative strength index RSI, moving most certainly sort of normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including reasonably in every practical sense, straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Cardano in a sort of huge manner, in a really significant manner essentially. The ADA United States dollar moving commonly normal combination and disparity, MACD, marker in a real sense is demonstrating an extremely present moment, truly sell sort of sign, as the MACD line especially truly is moving beneath essentially signal line which in a real sense implies in a real sense bears especially sort of are overwhelming on the lookout, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking, while ADA's Williams %R pointer essentially is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange kind of sign by and large generally is somewhat conceivable at this reach in an unpretentious manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and especially in a real sense is attempting to for the most part break out of the negative zone, while featuring enormous negative strength in an unobtrusive manner, in opposition to prevalent thinking certainly. The Cardano in every practical sense has truly sort of break all its generally truly upholds levels, and things for the most part are not looking kind of great for the crypto market. So the pretty especially by and large market cap for ADA really is $9,179,478,900.